Hello, this is Janet. I frequently get asked questions about whether or not an owner should require renter's insurance of their tenants. That's a really good question. Renter's insurance from the tenant covers the possessions of the tenant. It covers the food in the refrigerator, it covers their clothing, their furniture. It does not cover liability. It does not cover damage to the building. That's all on the owner and the owner's insurance. We do require the owner to have homeowner's insurance. It's actually a commercial policy. It isn't a homeowner's insurance policy, it's a commercial policy because the owner is not living in the property and is not in possession of the property as such. And so it's a commercial policy. It covers the property itself, the building, the functioning utilities in the building, such as the furnace, the water heater, those kind of items in the event of a fire, a large burglary, or some other damage that's caused to those items. It does not cover any tenant possessions. It does not cover anything that may cause damage to the tenant or their living there. In the event that the tenant has to move out because of a fire or some such thing, the tenant insurance would be paying for that tenant to be situated in a hotel or some other living quarters during the repair work. We had an owner who failed to buy a commercial policy on her building soon after she purchased the building. We moved the tenants in and everything was going fine for several months. The building next door, the home next door, caught on fire. Not only destroyed that building, but because of the proximity to our client's building, it burned her building also. The fact that she did not have insurance on the building obviously caused a lot of stress, a lot of expense, and the building was destroyed to the point where the city of Chicago required her to also completely remove the building. It had to be a complete demolition. That was also on her expense rather than on the insurance company. If you think it's not going to happen to you, it can. It happens to people every day. So it's not a wise policy to not purchase the insurance on your own building. In contrast, the tenant did have insurance. That allowed the tenant to move into a hotel with her entire family. It purchased new furniture and clothing for them. It actually purchased them new food. So when they moved into a new location, they were able to set up their household as a family with no financial problems. If you do have any questions about your property's insurance policy, or if you're looking for an insurance policy, please feel free, give us a call. We'll be happy to talk to you further, and we can actually provide you with some references for insurance companies that would be able to assist you.